Let me show you how you can very quickly create a box like this one in Tinkercad. You will need to start with the cube, so drag it in. Then we can make it a bit lower, like that. If you want to have a bit rounded corners, you can check the properties of your box. There is something called radius at the very top. This will literally round all of the corners, so you can consider doing that. Or keep it sharp like this. Then we need to make a copy of it, so Command C, Command V in my case, or simply copy at the top left and paste at the top left. Here's the perfect copy of it. We can now start by making this a bit higher. So I like to make it just a bit higher, and instead of solid, we change to whole. All right, now we can see through this object, and it's very important to make it a bit smaller than the original one. So I click on the corner and kind of drag it in, holding Shift for proportion. All right, now I need to move it a bit up. So we still got the bottom part of the original box. Okay, now I select both, head to alignment, and we can align it to the center of this one, from this side and also from this side. Okay, looks good. Now the final touch will be to simply click the group icon at the top, and then in that moment the whole object will kind of cut the hole into another object. And take a look, we got a proper box. We don't need to build it wall by wall. We got the bottom and all four walls of the box. If you want to make adjustments to your box, you can always ungroup. So we can break the group, and then we can move this, we can make this even smaller, and this way we can have thicker walls, or we can add some roundness to it as well. And then again, we need to put it at the center of another object. So we can do it manually or by using alignment tool as I did before. That's, in my opinion, the easiest way. So select both, alignment, click on the big object, and then center, and this side center as well. All right, and remember, you need to group them together to get the whole actual box like this. All right, nicely done. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.